Hello, this time I'm going to show you how to remove your sway bar and your bushings for bushing replacement or sway bar replacement. I will do a lot of parts on each of them. I will show you one step of bushing replacement. On this part I'm just going to show you how to remove the sway bar here. You also need to remove the sway bar for removing the radius rod on an early T3 or T25. So first of all, you want to spray this balls here with penetrating fluid. I done it. Yes, I done it, and it should be easier now. First of all, you want to remove this little guy. Take some force. Wait. No, that's right. So, loose. They use thread locker on these, they're so tight. I saw on the upper ones that on the other side that they use thread locker, but I think here they use it too, because there are a lot of vibrations and you don't want this to come loose. First, you also have to make sure what kind of sway bar you have. If it's it's stuck. Wait, 90mm, 21 or 23. I measured this. This is 21,8. I asked a lot of guys, and so it's 21mm one. And I need to now take your hammer. As you can see, they're destroyed. Here they're falling apart. We will remove them later on. The pressure. For now, that's good enough. Now you want to loose these little guys up. Here you can see the two bolts. I would suggest you to use an extension. Wait a minute. Oh, I have my adapter right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little guy up here. Don't forget to put the 30mm one on. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting this guy up here. And it's moving up. You see it tries to spin. On the other side they were way more tight for some reason. I don't know why. They are really easy to remove from this side. The other one was really tricky for me. This. Don't lose the bolt. You want to derust or replace it. You can see here they've used thread locker, so you want to reuse it. Clean them off first before putting the thread locker on, because they are really nice on this side. The other one was tricky. Now it's a bit tricky. A little bit more. I'm going to do a radius rod video too, so don't worry. Because take this. As you can see, this washer here goes like this on, not like this. This looks more normal, or this looks better, but it actually isn't any better. It's the wrong way to do it. So Go to the other side, spray them with fluid so they will go out easier. Spray this one with fluid. Take your 13mm socket, so you can move them out on the other side. I already removed one of them. Wait, where's the nut? Here, so I won't. And now we'll do the second. I think I already loosened it up. I forgot it. So now. These are 13mm spanners to make your life easier. Way better. 30mm. 30mm. I will put polyurethane bushings in later on. It here looks dry rotted or rotten like this one here. You can see it's crumbling apart. We'll replace them, even if you see some cracks in them. You will see a huge difference in the driving comfort and the driving behavior, or the behavior of the car on the road, how it reacts, especially when turning. This is what the sway bar is for, turning. So you won't roll over. It's also a safety feature of your vehicle. Remove. Now, you have this metal piece here. This one with, wait a half minute. Oh, here, don't lose them. Clean them up and reuse or replace. Do whatever you like. Pull it up. You can see. You want to be careful not to catch the speedometer cable. As you saw, when you reinstall, it will be like this. But I'm going to do an installation video, so you won't have any problem. Now what you want to do is put it like this. Go to the other side. You can see the sway bar. Let's pull it up. And pull it. There you go. Here is your sway bar. Remove bushes and sort out what you need and what you don't need. You don't want this bushing. It's crap. It's going to be tossed. And this sleeve here is rotten. I thought because my van is rust free that it wouldn't be. But I think I ordered it. I think I get it with a polyurethane kit. I will see. If not, I will order them. Remove your rotten sleeve. Look how disgusting this looks like. It's totally rotten. Remove this one. This can be cleaned and reused. Go to the other side. Remove this. And later on I will show you in the part 2. I will show you how to remove this bushing here. It may also be. Wait. If I'm lucky to go out. If I'm lucky, I won't need to make a part 2 because it's so rotten. But yes, I think it will come out. Be careful. Removed. Now you want to take you want to take a knife and cut it here to remove it. Before you remove it, here you can see it was like this. It was like this, and I'm going to show you how to remove the other side. Usually it will be difficult to remove them, but this In this case it's very easy because they're so rotten. This one looks like it got replaced at some place, on some point, because it's not as destroyed as the other one. Let me give it a try. Slowly but surely. If it wants to come out, you will make it come out. So don't worry. Looks like we will need a part 2. I need a drill to make it softer. I will drill around there so it will lose its integrity and I will be able to remove it. Wait. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share so you can help the others. The other video will show you how to remove this little guy, and then I will do a part 3 or so, or part 4, I don't know, where I will install them.